How to make image dissolve particles animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Bring a background node and an image you want to dissolve to particles into composition. Select Media in node, press Shift+Space, search for Transform, and add it. Connect the transform to output of background to merge it, and connect Merge to Media out. Select Transform node and change zoom to your liking. Select Merge node, press Shift+Space, search for pImageEmitter, and add it. Disconnect Merge from Media out. Search for pRender and add it. Connect Render to Media out. Select Background node and set Alpha to 0. Select ImageEmitter node and click on the Style tab. Change Style to Blob and increase size. Now in the Controls tab, click on Recede button, and set lifespan to the length of your composition. Set velocity to 0.1, velocity variance to 0.3, and angle Z to 90. Press Shift+Space, search for pTurbulence, and add it. Click on the Recede button and play around with strength handles until you're happy with the result. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.